Hi, so this is an upcycle. I took an American Eagle jean skirt and some Levi's stretch shorts to make an eclectic plus size skirt. All right, so the supplies, obviously the jeans, you need that, stick pins, seam ripper, scissors, and here we go. So I got that. Those are stretch Levi's jeans. Those were for $10.99 brand new. And then the skirt is a size 33, and those were $6.99. So I took these two pieces to try to come up with some kind of color contrast. All right, this is the point where I decided to separate and try to come up with some kind of panels so I can figure out how I want to lay it together and then come up with the skirt. So I'm cutting apart the seams. This is where I noticed that they used that brownie gold looking thread on the serger, and I really like the color of the thread. I like the look of the serger as well, so I've decided to save that, and that's what you see me doing now. Right here I decided to take out the waistband because I don't want to have a choppy waistband, so I want to take it apart so I can put it back together later. Here are all the pieces ready for me to sew, lay it out. I want to keep the front of the skirt because I like that two-button look. And then that's me showing you the waistband and all the panels. I'm a little indecisive. Do I want to use the pockets to add more width because of my tummy, or do I want to use the back side because I like the contrast? And as you'll see, the back side that I cut the pocket off, it really matches the jean of the skirt really well. So I was a little indecisive right there, trying to figure it out, but you'll see in the end which way I went. I wanted to pin everything together to see how much or how far the waistband could go, just so I can get an idea of what it would look like. Here is the finished product. I think it turned out really nice. I especially love the color contrast. I love the serger. I love the exposed thread. I love the opening on the back too. I just think it turned out so lovely. I took off the pockets because eventually I want to make like a pocket belt. So I'm saving a bunch of pockets until I have enough to make a belt for me. So I love how it turned out. I can't say I especially love how it turned out on me, but I still love the end product. I need to tweak it a little bit to make it work for me. So here we go.